In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to transfer a domain from Namecheap to GoDaddy. The first move is to access your account on Namecheap. Navigate through the site until you reach the area labeled Domain List. This is where you can find an overview of any and all domains that are currently associated with your Namecheap account. As you review this list, identify the domain you want to transfer. Beside this specific domain, there is a button labeled Manage. Click this button to open up your management options for this domain. Now, your next destination is the Sharing and Transfer tab. This section is where you will legitimize and initiate the transfer process. Look for a subsection labeled Transfer Out. In the Transfer Out section, you will see an Unlock button, which you should click. Unlocking the domain is an essential step that ensures the domain can be transferred from your Namecheap account to your GoDaddy account. The next step is to acquire the auth code, which is also referred to as an EPP code or transfer key. Once you request this code, it will be emailed to the administrative email address connected with your domain. Remember to store this code carefully. You'll need it in the forthcoming step. Leaving the realm of Namecheap behind, we now venture on to GoDaddy's territory. The destination here is GoDaddy's domain transfer page. Here, you'll be prompted to search for your domain. Put in your domain name and then the platform will prompt you to enter your authorization code, the one that you stored safely from Namecheap. Fill that in and move on to complete your purchase. As you proceed, you'll reach a checkout screen where you need to pay for the transfer. Having taken care of the technical and financial requirements, we can now move to finalizing the transfer. This process greatly involves your email inbox. Keep an eye for confirmation emails from both GoDaddy and Namecheap. Each platform sends out an email to confirm the domain transfer. Especially important is the email from Namecheap, as it contains a link that you need to click in order to approve the transfer. Following these meticulous steps, you've nearly completed your mission. Ultimately, you need a bit of patience to seal the process. It typically takes around 5 to 7 days for the transfer to be completed. So, sit back and await confirmation of the completed transfer. I hope that this tutorial has been valuable and simplifies your process of transferring a domain from Namecheap to GoDaddy.